I'm gonna do some hollow body next. So hollow body is amazing for core and handstands. So basically you are laying on your back and pulling your rib cage and your hip bones in toward the center while you imprint your lower back into the floor. So I'll just show you from the side what it looks like. Okay, so you can come into a tuck and then you stretch yourself out, sucking the navel in. So what we're trying to avoid is this, right? Because you're not going to be able to balance on your hands like this. You have to pull everything in and then hold. I still shake when I do this. Yeah, so if you want to take your core work to the next level, you can try that. Also, this is my first practice on my new Jade Voyager mat. It's a super lightweight, thin mat. It's great for traveling, really nice and grippy. You can fold it up, put it in your bag. And so yeah, I traveled with one for 2 years and then I lost it last time I was here. I'm at the Sanctuary, Thailand right now. And I left it in the yoga shala, and then I didn't realize until I'd left the island that it had, I'd left it. So anyways, I just got a new one. I'm also a Jade ambassador, so if you want to purchase one, let me know. I can give you a code. And yeah, it's an amazing mat. Okay, so why am I doing this core work right now? I am going to do some arm balances, inversions, handstand maybe, we'll see. Also really good to open up your shoulders when you do this kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna turn the camera this way so we can use a chair. We can do like this. And so also working on shoulder mobility is really important. So you can take a TheraBand like this or a strap. Go up and over. Those are my students walking by right now. And for more of a challenge, you can try to take the hands closer together. And it's nice because then if you have a stretchy band, you can really try to pull. My shoulders are so tight, so it's hard.